I have another video looking at the next generation HPE ProLiant. In this video, we're going to look closer at the guiding principles of intuitive, trusted, and optimized. I'll also share some amazing world records. If you haven't seen the first next generation HPE ProLiant compute engineered for your hybrid world video, click the eye at the top right of the screen to watch it. First, it is an intuitive cloud operating experience, engineered around simple, unified, and automated. Let's look at each of these, starting with simple. Modernize lifecycle management with cloud simplicity. Firmware updates are the #1 pain point with server management, and with HPE GreenLake Compute Ops Management, you can achieve 5 times faster server firmware updates. Easily onboard thousands of distributed devices, monitor and manage all servers globally from a single console, and bring enterprise security and consistency to your compute infrastructure. Unify compute management with a centralized console for self-service operations. View health and firmware status of all servers and gain new sustainability insights with carbon footprint reports that show emission metrics for each server as well as the full environment. Global visibility and insight of all your compute devices. And automate it to reduce manual efforts and gain support efficiencies. With REST APIs, you get faster and easier server updates. Automated monitoring and supportability with instant email notifications of issues and automated case creation. The next guiding principle is trusted by design, and here we'll look at fundamental, uncompromising, and protected. HPE continues to lead and deliver infrastructure security innovations from edge to cloud with a fundamental zero-trust lifecycle approach. And the value of this compute security foundation of HPE ProLiant servers extends to services within HPE GreenLake. Using Compute Ops Management with HPE GreenLake provides a policy-driven means of keeping servers in compliance and secure. And HPE Silicon Root of Trust secures millions of lines of firmware code in over 4 million servers around the world. HPE Integrated Lights Out with ILO 6 extends protection with uncompromising protection to partner ecosystem with continuous innovations for best-in-class security. We've expanded ILO 6 verification to select storage and network controllers with Security Protocol and Data Model, or SPDM. And protected, an expanding trusted supply chain security. HPE Trusted Supply Chain is an option that provides our customers the optimized protection and confidence for HPE ProLiant servers. From trusted suppliers to manufacturing facility and while in transit to customers' end destination. Securing our supply chain is a top priority, and it's expanded to include more workloads for AMD and Intel servers. Now let's talk about how HPE ProLiant Next Generation Compute will optimize performance for your workloads. We'll look at efficiency, accelerated, and open. And I'm thrilled to start by sharing 43 world records and 28 new world records for HPE ProLiant Gen11. #1 SAP's SD 2-tier 2P, and for 256 total cores on VMware vMark benchmarks. #1 for DSS and price performance on Microsoft SQL Server 2022 Enterprise Edition. And I'll highlight 3 more. Java Server 1P performance, video rendering CPU-based 1P and 2P, and 2P 2-node on VMware vMark benchmark. Undisputed performance leadership. Let's look at efficiency with performance. HPE ProLiant Gen11 is designed with massive improvements in performance paired with improvements in energy efficiency. We're seeing up to 99% higher performance compared to previous generations per published spec benchmarks. Plus, it's up to 43% more energy efficient, 50% more cores per CPU, and 2 times more I/O bandwidth. Future-proof with scalability, efficiency, and greater performance. Advanced workloads increasingly rely on GPU accelerators, and HPE ProLiant Gen11 delivers with greater GPU density than ever before. With up to 33% more GPU density, you get the flexibility to optimize scale with more high-end accelerators than ever before. Empower your business to innovate more for AI, ML, rendering, and data-intensive applications. And lastly, HPE ProLiant delivers exceptional flexibility and scalability with over 30 years of leadership and commitment to industry standards, enabling more infrastructure as code with expanded support for industry-standard protocols. Deliver scale-out performance with greater energy efficiency for cloud-native workloads with the RL300 Gen11 and more. Accelerate data-first modernization with HPE ProLiant Compute engineered for your hybrid world. An intuitive cloud operating environment, trusted security by design, and optimized performance for your workloads. To learn more, go to hpe.com/info/compute.